Alright, thank you for a number of comments on the first video already. It is important to note that that video is split up into two parts, and in part one, as I make my way to Kroger, excuse me, it turns out that when I excuse me, subscribed to Autopilot, Full Self-Driving, that there was another toggle that needed to happen to turn it on. So if you notice here under the Autopilot settings, there's traffic control, traffic aware cruise control, AutoSteer, and then full self-driving. And what I believe happened was that even though you see some of these toggles come up, that's what I didn't get on the video before. Even though I had subscribed to full self-driving, it hadn't yet been enabled through one of those windows that just turned on. And so what happens is I believe it was still in auto steer mode. And so that's why that first drive was a bit off. A few commenters have noted that the two blue lines on either side were a clear indication that it was in auto steer mode, not FSD mode. So thank you for those comments. That was most definitely what happened. When I parked the car at Kroger, I got out, and I came back into the car and turned it back on, I was able to see the screen that something similar to this right here. Do you want to enable it? And then I hit yes, and then everything worked as normal. So that was user error on my part, but that's part of the reason I have this channel, to show what it's like in real life. When you subscribe to full self-driving, be sure to turn the car off and back on again, and to toggle that. Otherwise, you will actually be in auto steer mode most likely.